petition demanding the revocation of Elon Musk's Canadian citizenship has amassed over 250,000 signatures in just 5 days. The petition accuses the billionaire of undermining Canada's sovereignty and acting against a national interest, a claim that has reignited political tensions between Ottawa and Washington. Musk, who holds both Canadian and US citizenship, was born in South Africa but gained Canadian nationality through his mother, a Saskatchewan native. However, in a now deleted post on X, Musk dismissed the controversy, writing, and I quote, "Canada is not a real country," end quote. The remark has only intensified backlash. Under Canadian law, citizenship can only be revoked in cases of fraud or misrepresentation. There is no legal precedent for revoking citizenship based on political influence, making the petition largely symbolic. However, if it surpasses 500 signatures and gains an MP's backing, it typically warrants a government response, though with the spring election looming, that remains uncertain. The petition was launched on February 20th by a British Columbia author and has been endorsed by New Democratic Party MP Charlie Angus. Angus, a veteran parliamentarian who is not seeking re-election, has yet to comment publicly. The controversy comes at a time of heightened tensions between the US and Canada following Donald Trump's return to the White House. Trump has openly suggested Canada could become a US state and has threatened tariffs on steel, aluminum, and other imports. Canadian leaders have pushed back, vowing countermeasures. Beyond government circles, the tensions are affecting everyday Canadians. US travel boycotts, protests against American products, and even hostility at sports events have become more common. Meanwhile, Musk's immigration history is also under scrutiny. The billionaire, who moved to Canada at 18 before attending Queen's University, has previously backed Trump's hardline immigration policies. Now, former White House strategist Steve Bannon has labeled him a parasitic, illegal immigrant, accusing him of working illegally in the US on a student visa. Musk has denied any wrongdoing, stating he obtained US citizenship legally in 2002. As the petition continues to gain traction, it remains to be seen whether the Canadian government will weigh in or whether the controversy will simply be another chapter in the ongoing US-Canada political rift. Stay tuned for more updates.